Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in momentum for human rights sentiment with a score of minus 0.60, but the momentum is up by over 0.80. This negative sentiment, combined with the strong upward momentum, is unusual and indicates a rising intensity in discussions surrounding human rights issues, despite the overall negative sentiment. When you leverage our API, it returns a detailed analysis of sentiment, semantic clusters, and trends, all tailored for your application needs. Imagine integrating this data into a social media monitoring tool to identify shifts in public opinion, allowing you to respond swiftly to emerging human rights discussions. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.